Today's video, I'm gonna be doing estimates. We're gonna go see clients, look to see what they want to have done, give them some quotes. So I'll just go around. This will be a video just on quotes. I don't know if I'll be telling you guys prices, but I'll be at least showing you guys how it is I do my quotes. We're gonna be pulling up here on our first one, just around the corner here. Oh, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be a tree right here. They want to have trim. So I'll just park here, and I'll get out and I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys a bit how it works to give quotes out for our business. I don't know if you can tell here, the trees and the neighbors. See how they've always been trimmed? See how they're counting the rounded off? Now they just need to be retrimmed. Neighbor wants to have his tree done here. So what I'll do is I'll just show you guys what it is that we are doing here. All right, so you see this one right here? He wants us to take it down and trim it up a bit. He wants us to clean out by the house, take about 10-12 feet off the top. Just wants it to be cleaned up. Client here does it every 3-4 years. So that's about it. It's not too complicated when you're used to it. We'll just go over that. I'll go see the client, see exactly what he wants, and then we'll give him our quote and he'll give us the okay, the yes or the no. All right, let's go see the client. All right, we're here at another estimate or a quote, however you want to call it. See these telephone poles here that they use them for clotheslines. They want us to take those down. It's the one here that says number 5 on it. We got one here. We got one right there. That one there is, you don't touch that one. That one there we can do. They want us to take those down here. Let me get I'm gonna put my glasses on here. All right. So the quote is to take those 2 poles down. Easy job. We use the boom van. Just go up, start cutting from the top, and make sure when we put it through the chipper. Oh, we probably can't because it's gonna be, you can see there's gonna be a lot of, look at all the nails and stuff here. Plus they got their little hooks where they hooked in the clothesline, so I don't think we'll take a chance to put that through the chipper. And we'll be careful with that because I end up breaking the wood chipper. All right, so that right there, that's another quote. I'm gonna look this up. I'm gonna figure out how much we can charge him for that. We'll get this one done. We'll send it to them. Send them the quote and wait for them to give us the okay. All right, off to the next quote. All right, we got another quote going on here. We're gonna take out all these trees here. They want a quote on taking all this stuff out here in the back here. All of this here. Got a couple more up on the other side. So we'll give them a quote on that. Take these out here. One over here on the side. A couple little things out front here. So I'm looking at that. This is an engineering firm that wants a quote on this. Let me just go check out front here. Out front here there's a couple too. So this is just showing you guys what it's like to do estimates. Look at this nice thing here. I don't think he needs a trim. He looks good. Yeah, we'll go see. Let's go see out front here. They got a little something they want to have taken down. From what I can see on what they sent us. Must be just this here. See what happens though when they send you stuff like this, because you're not really talking to anybody. You see here, it says there's 2 of them. You see those 2 little green circles? It says there's 2 of them, and I only see 1 here. You know, and you always want to give your quote. You know, you want to give the real quote, and now you're not sure. Other companies, are they bidding on the same thing? That's what's not fun when you don't talk with somebody. Yeah, this thing is really nice, huh? Look at that. Beautiful. What is that made of? Oh, this all steel. Feels like it's all wrought iron. All right, let's get off to the next one and go see what's going on here. Let me just go take a quick look here. You got this place where the waterfalls. Oh, I guess there's like a school here. Isn't that something? All right, off to the next one.